Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. This is 44mm one, and let me show you what comes inside. Alright, first off we got the watch. Here is the back of it. This is brand new, never turned on. Now let's see the band. This is the band I chose, Extreme Sport Band. And here we go. So we got the two-piece band. Very soft and rubbery. So this is the band I chose. And let's put that back. All right, so that was the band. What else do we have here? Let's check this other side. And we have another box here. Now let's open this one. Here we have quick start guide and terms and conditions. And let's see if there's anything else. Let's check the other side. And here we have the charger. Let me see if I can pull that out. And here we go. This is the charger. And here we have Type A. So all you have to do is just lay down your watch on top of this. The cable doesn't seem that long, maybe 2 feet, maybe less than 2 feet. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching.